quest to go small isn't just about handheld firearms. One of the biggest and baddest military weapons is also going tiny. At Howe & Howe Technologies in Waterboro, Maine, brothers Mike and Jeff are building high-tech armored vehicles. And one model takes tiny to a whole new level.
You're never really going to know what it's like to be visited by the Badger until it comes crashing through your wall. I'm pretty sure you don't want that happening. No.
Created for SWAT and Special Forces, the Badger is a one-man all-terrain vehicle designed to breach buildings and other fortified positions. It's currently the smallest passenger tank on Earth.
The most unique thing about the Badger is it's super small. It's only 32 inches wide, so it can fit through a door. That was really the huge engineering challenge for us to build a tank that's smaller than a human, yet can fit a human in it.
Its small size makes the Badger incredibly mobile, and its armor plating can repel large caliber rounds. The shape of the Badger's front end is crucial to its success in the field.
The more angled this vehicle is to the person that's shooting at it, the better it's going to be at deflecting bullets. Here we have a 50 caliber armor-piercing round that just barely made it in and then it ricocheted out. Here we have an AK-47. Those are very, very, very powerful rounds. Handgun round won't even mar the paint on this.
And it's not just impervious to rifle fire. The Badger can stand up to small explosives, too.
I can't really tell you the size of explosive that this thing can handle, but it put this thing 8 feet in the air and only sustained about 25 Gs on the inside, which means the guy survived.
Storming buildings uninvited is the Badger's specialty.
We've used it to punch through cinder block walls, reinforced rebar walls. In the event there's an emergency, something's going on, we don't want the Badger to have to run around and look for a door. It can literally go through a wall.
Bringing the Badger to life wasn't easy. Just cutting the armor was a massive undertaking.
One of the most difficult things with the Badger is how do you cut the material? This is so hard, you can hear it.
The answer? Water jet cutting. At 60,000 pounds per square inch of pressure, the water jet cutter can slice through hardened steel and granite.
In engineering, you never really know what you're going to end up with until it's done. And so that's why here we produce prototypes and we test and we test and we test again. And by the end of the day, if we've done a good job, we have a vehicle that is really survivable.
The mini tank doesn't end with the Badger.
Robots right now are really important for the military. We want to reduce the amount of casualties we're getting abroad and bring our soldiers home. We have today's technology, which is a human small miniature tank, to tomorrow's technology, which is a very, very small robot that can still do that mission, but remove the human right out of the hazardous environment.